teach you how to make a magnetic pencil holder. For this craft, you will need a carton. I'm using a candy carton. You can also use milk cartons, juice cartons, and whipping cream or other cartons. But I just recommend that they should be in a kind of small square shape. You will need some things to decorate the boxes with. I will use some glittery rhinestones. You will also need magnets or magnet tape and some hot glue. You also need a magnet board or a whiteboard. I have a magnet board here, and that's also a whiteboard. First, we will be turning the carton into a box. Make sure it's straight and doesn't have any wrinkles in it. Box, you'll need some magnets. You'll first figure out the side that you do not like the most. So I picked this side. One thing you should make sure about when having magnets is if they're the right side up. So before you apply them, make sure that the side that sticks is the side that you're not going to glue or stick to the box. After you add the magnets, you can begin to bedazzle your box. Once you have finished decorating your box and you have it how you like, you can stick it on your magnet wall or wherever you want to put it and see if you like it there. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Bye!